record this train going by.
You go ahead. Yeah.
Oh, that's me.
What?
Man, look at this. This some crazy stuff, man.
Look at that building up there. It's 6 minutes up there. It's the Maui bill.
Okay. Is another train coming?
No.
Okay, well, let's walk across.
Hi.
Yeah, awesome. Because I'm awesome. No, you're not, dude. Don't lie. I'm awesome.
Last area.
They need that in Chicago, the little bike rack over there.
Where? Oh, yeah. They can sing.
You know what I'm saying? Brick. You know what I'm saying?
Probably somebody stole it, yeah.